Hey, what's up, Crypto Army? A warm welcome to all of you. And here we are with a brand new video, and we are totally talking about different thing today, and that is surprise for you. We are going to talk about that, and that must be needed to talk. First, we just take a look at BTC and whole coin market cap. Everything looks fine, and everything looks back to the stage, and everything going to be fine. Literally everything just going to be bullish. If you see the next month, and its chances of bullish is I will not say 100%, 60% chances to be going bullish. First we look at the BTC, and it is quite a compact graph. It is following, it just going like that and sliding upside. It is generally the case that BTC is super fine. If you cross 1200, it just try to break 1100k, and that was not happening right now. So let's see what will happen. It's super fine if it go 1200k, and that will be good for the market. So I'm just showing you why I'm today showing you at KuCoin, and that is the video is all about. You just read all description and just be take a look. So here we are on the KuCoin, and you can just see the safeguard program. So what is the safeguard program? What is security breeds prosperity? So what happened with KuCoin in 72 hours? So we are late to talk about that, but after a full plan. So what is happening with KuCoin? We just read all the datas and all the announcements from the KuCoin itself and all tokens, and so we are here to talk about that. So what is happening with the safeguard program? So just a shock from the KuCoin. They just introduced an insurance policy, and that was fantabulous. So in the favor of the users, and they just launched the safeguard programs, and they say, oh, we will ensure you that we will refund all your coins, and all the KuCoin and will bear all losses, and that is super cool. Not super cool for the KuCoin. So right now we can say KuCoin is also secure place. Like Binance safe you, the KuCoin is also safe. Not that safe, but still it is safe. At least it refunds your money now. We will not talk about the other exchanges. What will they do? But KuCoin just shown their back. They just shown that they will back you in the bad times. So you can still believe in the KuCoin, just don't forget it. So we will talk about the lots of news out there, and the CEO is going to talk about what is happening on 13th. So before that, we will just take you look at what is happening. So lot they announced, and first they talked about how the users data, they talked about user data is not compromised, just the hot wallet keys just gone, leaked out and somewhere. So how this happened, they are not transparent about that, but clearly that was mistake by some member of the team, and in that way they lose their privacy key. And you can just see that how the hacker transferred about 180 million dollar coins. Some says 240 million, or 280. They are not sure about how much, but the figure is around 280, you can say that. So what is happened? So lots of coins do the swap. Like they first halted the Noya, Kai, NWC, but after that they started the trading period of every coin. So you can here clearly see that. Let me take you the back to the announcement pages. So where is this? So here it is. So back to the announcement pages, and they will just talking about how they are just done all the opening pages. So first we talk about how. So Nimak, Noya Network, NWC, Odin. So say best part. We will talk first about the best part. First best part is about the Odin withdrawal now open. So how that everything is not opening their withdrawal, but Odin is doing that. So because the Odin is first to response, and he just shows that how DeFi works, how what is with a good project and a good team just act so fast that they just swap the coins, and they starting the trading pair, just pull out the liquidity from the Uniswap, and they shown how the active team they are. So they just got benefit. They just took with the a price hit of $12, just opening the market, and that's all gone in the favor of Orion protocol. Still we can see that in the coming days it will go $6 to $9 around, and that is a super awesome thing. You can just buy that right now. Only the withdrawal policy is the Orion protocol, so if you withdraw it will take 1.45 Orion to withdraw from KuCoin. That is of course that is too much, but what you can do that only Orion is giving you facility to withdraw. Yeah, after that the, just 2 to 3 hours Sky just also introduced that, Wipro also gone for that, everything is just fine. So we will take you to the coin and let me show you how the Orion is perfectly working fine. You can see that the $12 hit chart, and that was good. Not everything is on the way. So if you take out the PLT, they halted their trading pairs, order cancellation suspended. If you talk about Wipro just lost too much of their coin, about 1 billion of their circulating supply, and that was too much. If you say PLT, they also about 70 millions of their circulating supply is stolen, and that was bad. Orion was quick to respond. They just swapped their coin. PLT also announced that they will swap their coin, and they will just change their name also to PLT to add, and that is a good thing they are doing right now. So what is going to happen? They are going to host next MS session at UTC 8/30 September, and they will talk about how things will go. The bad thing about that, they talk about the 10 coins with the exact value of $140 million now out of control and suspicious, and also expected a growing number of affected digital wallets will reopen deposit withdrawals over the coming days. So they're talking about everything will go fine, but still the $140 million lost forever, and that is of course you are not bearing the loss. The loss will bear by the KuCoin, but still that what will I share you today, that just use the trust like the MetaMask or TronLink, and that is safe places. Just use the Ledger and the Power Ledger, and that is good to use, because you just need the paper wallet or some hardware wallet to safeguard your money. Not exchanges are that safe right now. If you keep simple math is, if you keep your money in hot wallet, they are always vulnerable because it's 24/7 connected to the internet. But if you keep in the cold wallet, it's more safe out there. And just try to do the exchange things like DEX, like Uniswap and JustSwap or SushiSwap. I will not talk about the SushiSwap, that was scams. Don't say scam, but still Binance Dex, everything you can just go for the dexes, and they are not popular right now, not much more volume. Still Uniswap is more popular, they have the good volume, so you go there. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel. I keep watching us, and we will talk about later about, we are going to do a video on Polkadot, and we will explain little about that. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, just write down below. We will try to give the answer of your question. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.